Greetings to everyone on my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident on the 26th of September 2022 in Murcia, Spain. Murcia firefighters rescued scores of people from their homes as a flood of water inundated several houses and basements, according to the municipal sources. The local police were working on numerous incidents in the city when the streets and roads were flooded with the rain. The automatic Hydrological information service has registered accumulation of up to 118 liters per square meter at a month of the Rambla del Albujón in the last 24 hours due to the rain. About 20 roads in Murcia remain closed to vehicles due to heavy rain recorded at dawn. Subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.